The Deputy Governor-elect for Edo State, Honorable Dennis Idahosa, and some Edo youths don't gather for the headquarters of Edo Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) for Benin City to stand gidigba to dey watch the place sake of the informate wey dem hear of one invasion of the INEC office by opposition party. Honorable Dennis Idahosa, wey lead the youth for im talk with Tori pipo, come here and say dem hear from a reliable source say the outgoing governor Godwin Obaseki dey mobilize im boys to come attack the INEC premises. Say but as concerned Edo youth, dem no go allow that one happen. That na why dem gather for Edo INEC office to join hand with the security agencies to make sure say peace and stability dey for the state. Honorable Dennis constantly talk say Governor Obaseki na one man and he no get monopoly on violence. Say but as Edo youth, dem dey here to protect the place sake of say on the 21st of September, APC win the 2024 Edo governorship election wella, and say now the process don't finish. Say if anybody get any wahala or any concerns, them suppose follow due process, and say they no fit turn Edo State to place of unrest. A consti talk say
we heard an information from reliable source last night that the outgoing governor had mobilized a lot of persons to come and invade the INEC office, and as a concerned Edo youth, we are to ensure that there is peace and stability in our dear state. Prior to our swearing in, we came today to join forces with the security agencies to ensure that there is not such thing in this INEC premises. So far, I believe because they heard that we are already here, they had not showed up. And we are going to be here to ensure that there is peace and stability in our dear state. That's why we are here, sir. As you can see, there's Edo youth that had come out to protect their mandate. Because by invading the INEC office, we also show that they can alter the figures that had been announced. Because they had gone to court, we want to ensure that there is rule of law. We will respect the rule of law, and we are open to such processes. So we don't want any violence in our dear state. That's why all the youths from the three senatorial districts had come together to protect their mandate and also to protect the federal government facility.
Comrade Osakpoma Erio, aka No Molest, Comrade Tony Adu, aka Kabaka, Comrade Kelly Okubawa, aka Ebo Stone, and other Edo youths come also chook mouth on why them gather plenty for the premises of the Edo INEC office for Benin City. Them talk say,
why we are here is for us to protect our mandate. We are aware that the PDP people are mobilizing themselves to come and storm the INEC office. We have cast our vote and the vote has been counted. We don't expect the PDP to start trying to bring violence into the INEC premises. That is why we decided to put all the youth together to protect our vote. Because this is the most peaceful election in the state. For over 12, 15 years, this is the most peaceful election. No life loss, everywhere we're peaceful. The governor were trying to perpetrate evil, but by the grace of God, things were okay. But now, how can he feel that you want to come and change the mandate of the people? We will not allow it. You youth will resist him anytime, any day. That is the reason why we are here to join the law enforcement agency to protect our vote, because the vote in question is our vote. We are supposed to protect our vote by ourselves, even without anybody. But we are happy that both the police, army, they are all here to protect our vote.
We had from vital information that the governor, outgoing governor, Godwin Obaseki, mobilized people that they are coming to INEC to come and set it ablaze. We, the Edo, we have voted. And while we are here today, we call on the 18 local government to come and stand here and protect their vote. So that if Obaseki is coming, let him come and kill all of us. This is the most peaceful election Edo State have ever had. You see, mobilizing people to the INEC, you want to crash the youth when you know you are going. I want to urge you, I want to beg them. If Obaseki mobilize you, don't mind him. He's leaving. Edo have voted him out. Don't listen to him anymore. After today, Obaseki will run away from Edo State. So, youth, my message to you, don't allow Obaseki to use you. That is my message. And if you get it, the Lord is with you.
You can see that it's a youth affair. And the youth voted massively for Senator Modokbevolo and Right Honorable Dennis Idahosa to be our governor and our deputy. And Edo people have spoken. There's no going back. And the information we got was that the outgoing governor has mobilized his people, his thugs, and those disbanded vigilantes for them to come and invade the INEC premises. We have been here since 6 a.m. this morning as a Vanbrugh youth that we are, for us to protect our mandate, to make sure that the new Edo that we are seeing will come to pass. And by the grace of God, anytime, any day, we are going to resist them, because Edo people have spoken, and we will not allow anybody to steal our mandate from behind. So I want to use this medium to also beg all the security agencies to be on alert that the evil day is still coming, because we all know the kind of governor we have in the state. According to Benin, so we must call the tail, we will call the head. If not, Obaseki will come back, and that is why we are here today, to make sure we protect our vote.
We are not here to fight. We don't want the public to know that we are here to protect the mandate that the people have given to Modiokbegolo and Right Honorable Dennis Idahosa. We are going to be here anytime information reaches us that they are coming to invade here. We will make sure we stand to support the INEC and to support the security agencies to make sure that their plan will not work.
You can see the great gentlemen, youths of Benin that are here present today to, first of all, express our heartfelt facility with the present leadership of the incoming Governor Modiokbegolo and his deputy Denko. You can see we had some information before now that the governor and his boys are preparing to come and invade the federal government facility to change the mandate of the youth, but we are not in support of that. We all came out to vote on the 21st, and the youth have spoken. On the 21st, we were able to move and change the present PDP, chase them out, and APC has come to stay. Are you getting it? They cannot come and manipulate what the youths have decided. The police that are taking charge here to protect this facility, we are here to support them. We'll be here physically. Now, whatever they want to come and do, we're here to protect it continuously, and it's going to be like that till our incoming governor and deputy takes their position.
Some security people there around the INEC office for Benin City too, but as at the time of this report, Governor Obaseki camp never react or respond to the accusation. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesale, TMC TV News.